Hey guys, I just want to make you a really quick YouTube video in terms of our discussion question coming up this Friday. Good class today. I know we really didn't get to the material that we wanted to, but I applaud and I feel very honored that you guys are willing to share your concerns in terms of the program. And I think we had a really good discussion in terms of that type of stuff. So again, what's really important is that you guys are set up so that you be successful, going into the fall semester. And I think these types of conversations and the processing of these concerns are good things. So thank you, and I look forward to meeting up with you guys again on Wednesday. So in terms of the discussion question, again, based upon your feedback, I thought I'd put together this quick video for you. So watch the video. Malcolm Gladwell, one of our brilliant minds of our time, has his theory, so to speak, in terms of school shootings. So he talks a little bit about scripts. He talks a little bit about threshold theory, and he applies those to why there is this general consensus based upon those two things that school shootings have accumulated, if not increased, over time. So very specifically, as we talked about in terms of discussion questions for this class and other science classes moving forward, identify what scripts are, okay, according to Malcolm Gladwell. Identify what threshold theory is, okay? Give examples of what those things may be. So remember, you don't want to assume that the professor knows exactly what you're talking about. So you may want to identify, here's what a script is, for example. Here's what threshold theory is, for example, okay? And then talk a little bit about how Malcolm Gladwell uses those to explain school shootings. Okay, make sure that you reference, you don't have to cite or anything like that, but when I say reference, that you're using material from the video, okay, in terms of that. Then it's asking you, do you agree with him or do you not agree with him? Okay, so with that, very simple. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Here's the reason why. Okay, so you want to use things that he said, or you want to use things from your textbook or the notes. Okay, here's the key to this whole thing. Make sure you watch this video very subjectively, which means we tend to view them very emotionally and we tend to view them very personally. So we want to make sure there's nothing wrong with those particular types of things, but sometimes they can really skew and blind us from what is being presented in terms of the information. So you really want to evaluate and look at what he is saying, okay? And then from an objective standpoint, all right? So I will post another video later in the week, specifically describing what threshold theory is and scripts. But first, I want you to watch the video very carefully and see if you can really best process and understand what it is on your own first. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys on Wednesday. Thanks.